Welcome to a view tour. But today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do grilled citrus ginger shrimp. Let's get started. The marinade. Brown sugar. 2 oranges. 2 lemons. 1 lime. Ginger. Garlic. And a teaspoon of salt. Black pepper. Honey. Olive oil. Done. What are you doing? I'm trying to do the editing for the first part of the video. You know what? You know what? I don't need your crap. Those jeans make your ass look fat. Anyway, now that he's gone, let's talk a little bit about the dish today. So those shrimp that I bought today were fresh Gulf Coast shrimp out of Galveston, Texas. I took the heads off, peeled the shells, deveined them myself. It's pretty boring to watch me do that. That's why it's not in the video. Really, it's a time-consuming process, but it's well worth it. Some people don't mind the vein staying in the shrimp. It's not appetizing to me. I guess you really can't taste it, but I just don't like it being in there. It's part of the shrimp's digestive tract. So I like to vein my shrimp. Now, when you're marinating shrimp and using citrus, you can't marinate them for long. After a while, you'll start seeing the edges of the shrimp starting to turn a white color, and that's actually the acid starting to cook the shrimp for you. Now, if you let that go for too long, you'll end up with ceviche. And we're not trying to have ceviche today. This isn't a long marinade. It's going to be in that bag for probably no longer than an hour. But I want to keep an eye on it, because once it starts turning white on the edges, then I want to get it out of that bag and onto a sheet pan. In my opinion, it starts to make that shrimp a little tough. Now, the honey and the brown sugar in the marinade is going to kind of coat it and give it a sweet flavor, but since shrimp is such a short cook, I want that sugar in there so that I can get some nice sear marks. Okay, I still want a little bit of browning on the shrimp, but we don't want to overcook it. If you do anything, err on the side of it being a little less done than it being overdone. You overcook shrimp, it turns to rubber, and it's just a bad texture. So it's real important not to overcook shrimp. I'm going to do this entirely by the way it feels, and by taking 1 or 2 off the skewer to see where it's at. You know, it's there. I got a lot of them, so it's not going to hurt anything for you to remove one from the skewer. You also want to, you know, if there's a big size difference between your shrimp, you want to group the sizes that are alike together and skewer those together so that you'll get an even cook. I guess that's it. Let's go ahead and finish the cook. Come on. Let's go ahead and get these on the skewers. It's time for shrimp on the barbie. let's go ahead and get this on a plate. There you have it. Grilled citrus ginger shrimp on a bed of rice and broccoli for the side. Let's go ahead and give this a try. It's good. So it's sweet, but not too sweet. The shrimp is tender. This isn't a citrus dish that's going to punch you in the mouth. The orange and the lemon come through, but nothing hides the natural flavor of the shrimp. I really can't say more than that about it. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. I'll see you next time. Hi, I'm Johnny, and welcome to the show After the Cook. Tell you what, that shrimp came out fantastic. When you choose your sides, choose wisely. Don't choose anything that will overpower the shrimp. So that's why I chose a bed of rice and broccoli. They pair really nicely with the shrimp. The rice is plain, so if you take a bite of rice after you have, a bite of shrimp, it's not going to really change the flavor of the shrimp. I think a baked potato would be great with the shrimp. Buttered noodles, squash. I'd stay away from anything too spicy. If you're thinking about giving it a try, stop thinking and give it a try. It's good stuff. Won't be disappointed. I really enjoyed this cook, and I'll see you next time on A View to a Grill. Have a good day.